Hi, here's everything you ever wanted to know about how to take care of a Venus flytrap. Venus flytraps are actually native to the United States, to the Carolinas. They live in very boggy environments, so you got to keep the soil really moist. They don't like it when it gets dry at all. Kind of small plants, this is about as big as they get. You can grow them outdoors. In fact, they prefer that. They like to be in bright sun. And when you grow them outside, they're able to catch all their own food. Then, insects come along. They don't do as well as houseplants because they need so much light and also humidity. You absolutely need to make sure that you're using rainwater, distilled water, reverse osmosis water, something like that. But plain old tap water, it has too many chemicals and minerals and stuff in there that is going to hurt your plant. Some people feed them like every month, or you can go maybe 4 times a year. They don't really need a whole lot. It's just a little extra sort of nitrogen boost for them when they get to digest a bug.